Good morning, Kaire. Thank you very much. Non tuwa kitani na batu ekinya gwa ekinya mbito wakabu modharimi na rua tore areria manto yeye period poverty na gotetetheria kodho ya manto ja ni Madam Lucy Nkatha indi mwananiria wetu na njira ya mathithio ni Abigail Kajuju. Karibuni sana, karibu sana Madam Lucy. Nonto bwa gotorokera narua gotumenyethia ningi gotoritana na gotwa mwerekera yeigie kioto kia antu batwire na mawathe. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Na narua ni ontuko I understand kwina muswanda jo kinyithitwe mbere ya county assembly ya Meru ukaithira ugitutariria mantu igi muswanda jo iromba riu ri mbere ya county assembly ningi ukaithira witutariria advocacy ya antu bara batwire na mawathe in connection to the economic hardship iraithirite iri ndigorone ya Kenya. Otherwise, karibu sana. Tutariri mantu yeigie advocacy ira iri mbere ya county assembly ya Meru.
Thank you very much. Ora muthikiria wetu wa Meru TV aigwa mbeta wa Lucy Nkatha na mbetha erande director wa Kiangu Women Challenge to Challenge na tukuyarua ri batu to celebrate era tuita World Day of Social Justice yethera ye February 20th every year, but mwaka yo 2026 batu twaona manto ya konie social justice period poverty kana manto ya damu emweri ya ikuru kana ari bara bena mawathe ni issue kana ni ithina ikintu kethera kina thina muno thina ti umiona kuona of course kuonania we mwekuru kamili mwekuru moyuru barede thina nara yaira ikikume manage nonto okay ya kuolelia antu baba angi batina mawathe ekuru baba kawaida kana bara batina mawathe yara yabainyiletie ira twita severe disability ibethera bakitumira pad imwe ndukene ichiringi 50, lakini baraba bena severe disability batumbo tumira padira nonto kinyo mekira yari ekaeba you know, so etemenya ko mitumira batumaira diapers, so kutumira diapers are expensive, iso si goro nkuruki ya pads. So iromba rira twina ryo mbere ya county assembly tukiri kuromba ajumbe betu ni kubaromba budgetary allocations rira bakabwithia budget ya mwaka yuna witana mbere twithire tukiumba kuona tugikirwa budget ya diapers batu ajire department kenda yumba ku set aside mbesa cia kuumba kugura diapers nontu bwana babetu bena mawathe na turiwa period poverty. In fact mantu wa diapers na period poverty euti luxury, diapers ti luxury. Omba kuona mtu ageta kura mwana nontu akaurira mwana napi nontu atikwenda maybe kuowa napi kanambi but you see ke muntu rawe na mawathe especially itara period mwekuru ilazima ikire something na something you atumba wikira the normal ones no mankekire diapers, so ile roba twikite ke county assembly ruare.
Now, how will that work? Budget ikethira iri allocated ni tia policy komba kwithira iki benefit barabongo bati kwithira bakia benefited.
You see, with the budget to a department social development to ira disability kana antu barabe na mawathe berunguru ayo gender and social development department ye eka allocate rombese onto you eka procure the diapers but twithera very coordinated in Meru County twinera twita coordination structure ya disability in every sub county twina coordinator, disability coordinator, in every ward twina ward representative, in those wards twina groups OPDs that twita organizations of persons with disabilities, so ikundi bibi antu bena bawathe no bibi na antu ba. So with the kuma arake department eurono kya kolwa from K department already governor wetu Mutuma Twethingia na arekire board yetu ya disability already that it is in place. It is now active and working. So twina board, twina structure. Ukona ora tuyite from the structure twina groups kule mashinani ambao the leaders of the groups they know, wanajua hawa watu wako wapi. So it is very easy kwa hizo diapers kujua ni nani anazihitaji na zitamfikia namna gani.
Mea nonto nda gatuma mboria mantu yeye netia mbeshe ukethira gitengo ningi bora cia kinyira ora wengwa bateri ikwethirite kuri na a lot of misuse of public funds kiri sector mwanya karaya no ikitu mantu ya COVID-19 billionaires mbeshe itengeri yaje ningi kethira gitumika bura bote bati amu hopefully ibonto nkurakia kithia mbeshe u kethira igikinyira bara na bongo bako deserve igitumika bobowe
inkwelewa kiuria yaku na inkwelewa concern yaku, but surely we are confident no to structure by the way kethira tutena structure twethira twina obwa, but you see twina structure, twina board, twina department ira very passionate about disability. No kona the CEC ora CCM ora we uturomerete Mr. Morea has been an advocate for disability, but of course manto ya county government anto kabeta transition kwamba kwithira rwari kwina uyu ruyu kwina mutongi, but whoever will be there whoever will be there, we are confident no to kwina ndakwira ringi twina that structure. But of course again bato na atu antu barabe na mawathe turi antu bathomi barabe baingi betu ituthomi, and we know how to track the budgets. If the budget is allocated bato ukethira budget ikaloketwo bato tukomba kumithia na tukomba kumenya ikura kethira idaipass usi abatiri kurwa na cio kinyila barabonde basi batiri.
Sure. Ukarene manto ya board ira ni irongamirite PWDs.
Yes.
Mandate yabo ni iriko?
Mandate yo ni ku advise the county government. Ni ku advise the government through the department manto ya konie antu barabe na mawathe. So gwe ya kamitera nene ni advisory baka advise ku advise ikutara tebo bakatara department thirikari kukulukira department babatare mantu yakonie atwarabe na mawathe no bo batu twethira twina issues tugeikiria issues se tukinyaru arira twetete ku present nini yo itwaberire na twaberi tukwenda ku present the petition na tukethira twina representative bo tukipresent that petition nontu ibo baturomerete. So ngweyo era nene tu ni ewe kula ndoba kuenya kwithira bareka tategeto na thirikari such that twethira twina untubura kutwinyete batu tukaeta through the committee na tukomba kuona kubera nabo bakomba kuikia issues yuki kere department. Yes.
Kwe policy nge ya county assembly ya Meru?
Yes. Kwena in fact etu iketeru are a petition. This is a petition petition inate kura ni umena iromba. You see, no mena iromba tuiketie ki county assembly, but daito kwaria review ni ambiriretie ya the Disability Act ya 2016, Meru County Persons with Disability Act ya 2016. Act yeye kebwethwa akira ya disability ya national ya 2003 etare reviewed. Ukona? So era nera reviewirwe thai tukwaria twina Disability Act of 2025. Okay? Era ya kolokerwe ni parliament, the National Assembly last year. So actira yetu ya Meru ete kwa line thai nonto yo ya withetwe most of the things is are borrowed from the 2003 Act. So ende nonto era ni a reviewwe kenda ya line na constitution utokona 2003 na 2010. So 2010 constitution yekebwethwa already twina Disability Act ya 2003 na etare na maiyo etaomba kuruma. You see, actira ni ari ni provided manto mengi sana privileges ya disability rights and privileges, lakini etaya ni tema hiyo ya kuruma ke mtura oka infringe kana mturo otumba kuthiata bura kubaterie kuthiatwa mantu yakonie kurianira kana ku include antu bara bena disability. So nira reviewed now it is aligning daine kwa line kana ni taniritie na the Constitution of Kenya 2010, katiba ya Kenya ya mwaka ya ngiri ile na 10, right? Ngiri ile na 2010. And then kwina the UNCRPD, kwina sheria ya kimataifa ira araire mantu kana yaya na rights cia antu bara bena mawathe na ke niniera ke treaty era ke constitution ke treaty ya international treaty UNCRPD UNCRPD, United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability. So kereye ni arete mantu maingi sana na ikuinya constitution ya Kenya 2010 rombere mantu yara maingi ya arete yakonie disability. Na Kenya ni ratified ni mwa nthiguru ile ikoloketie the UNCRPD. So na katiba yetu ni wa any treaty that is ratified by this country automatically forms part and parcel of our laws. So ira kinya yono kibatwe na ibo twende kinya the Disability Act, Meru County Disability Act, tukwenda now ya reviewed kende ni yayo yomba kwa line na UNCRPD na yomba kwa line na the Constitution.
Na some of the amendments ile kathithirwa act ya Meru People Living the Disabilities Act ya 2016 ireko.
Number one, kwena mantu ye very silent. Okay, ya kuolelia okay, aweta ke yondrene mantu ya mo very silent. For example, ye very silent on the economic empowerment of people with disabilities. No mwanka twekire mantu ya ukuo. Eteko dhaibu rekari eteko aya na muntu abwithia o ya na sheria na ate muntu akaomba kuface sheria uraunire sheria ya maybe kudhulumu muntu ra wenambi wena mawathe ye provided for in the 2025 Act. Na no konende we have a devolved government but the ime atu na thirikari ra sie devolved. And I thank God that thirikari sietu sa county, especially yetu Meru, nio county ira sembere kukulukia act ya disability kumaanisha bate kariyo mona county inge weta baba inge beta bakero babo bwe national government. So batu at least county yetu ne to recognize it with the mantu mengi mno, by the way, of which we appreciate ya kone disability baba inge nya county inge kase ya kuthoma now kwetu nonto number 1 tu na sako iraire persons with disability ni kuendelea ni kwa antu barabe na mawathe loan very soft, itena very lenient, itena kuinyanelia twena no kuona but most of the times daide ya taitu na committee eu kwena county ingi mbingi itena committee, although kwa karekere makosa itarare elections tutonere but dai as we speak tutena representative in the county assembly of Meru. But eura we wathurirwe specifically ko represent persons with disabilities, and of course itobatire kwithira twina mtu muka na mtu murume tutena bothai, but we are very grateful our MCS barabe ko thai ibethirite bakiwata mantu yetu muno. Yeah, and a big shout out to our MCS nonto ibethirite baki support the disability agenda.
Na inya tukiariria mantu ya period poverty.
Yes.
Na baraba ina severe disabilities kwendira bakigunika gukorokera the appeal ira igakinya mbere ya county assembly. Baraba ina severe disabilities baina caregiver. Na caregiver onwe ni tiategeri kire mawatho yara yaiki ni ya kutegera caregiver nonto nwe barina this individual for the most of the time inya good disease ya nwa kuhakikisha nwe na kukuneka ditia beneficiary bakwethira bakiguneka gukurukira disability fund.
The beneficiary or the caregivers. Wambo uria mbere caregivers,
the
right?
caregivers, the caregivers.
Caregivers ni antu bara bamenyera antu bara bena mawathe. Lucky enough, act ye ya 2025 ira withairwa review ikuluka of which ni rakulukire ina neo act ire kutegera caregivers ira ya 2003 itategaira caregivers. So thai ira twino ni utegera caregivers na caregivers kwena nini etathilikelwa. They are doing now the policy. You know, we have the act, now the policy iyo ire in place. Once that policy is through, caregivers ba persons with disabilities, just like the way batwe persons with disabilities to be exempted. Okay, ethera imuciari na andiki ni ku provide akaomba ku prove that the care ira kwa mwana uyu ina disability ni ku affect in one way or another mantu ya mukari yawe no aka exempted, but you know we are exempted, right? Okay, ethera uni bandiki ndire exempted na pay ithirikari, ndiri exempted ndenda for example ku import ngari kwa yo tumira tengui itwenda inya kwira atu mno bawata oni temenya ku import kelori, temenya ku import bus, temenya ku, you know, like that, but ngari kwa yo tumira onto tumetala ye mobility aid. It's just like a wheelchair, right? So we want to thirikari to exempt it and at least imba ko ease our movement. Then caregivers bara already tuiterana cash transfer, kwa cash transfer itherero, lakini cash transfer ira kidogo sana. So 2000 per month ikinto kidogo sana given mahitaji na tabra tumboita mahitaji na Kemero maubatu maubatu ya anababe na severe disability. In fact yethera ye maingi muno. So endre of course parents na boija boiba in association yo na ibambiritie ku lobby for increase ya allowance ira bomba kwewa ya kumenyerana baubo.
Thank you. Nontunya bwa advocacy ira bukinyithia mbere ya county assembly na inya advocacy mantigie gutigira barana bari na severe disabilities ni bakuguneka ninge bate kuinyeleka kiuchumi. Ende ni dena kiuria mbithete ngithwani mantuja for some time, especially on caregivers. No tuturiria mantu ya caregivers na utwariria mantu ya bora ba benefit okilukira some financing na support kuma kiri thirikari. Ende over the years ibithirite nke observe kwithira especially anabara bena severe disabilities caregivers some unfortunately ni babotumira barithaga rea kibiashara in our markets, in our towns. Tikumia bure like advocacy, social justice organization na kinya mendikithia rai mbere ya county assembly ya Meru inya kiri amendment ibotegira bara bautumira like children living with disabilities bari thaga rea kibiashara in our locals and in our towns.
The good thing utupura kwa ya thai na the act ya 2025 neku buni atia, so it is a crime, right? It's an offense. I don't know whether it's crime, but something it's an offense. Ikinyume na sheria tebo ikiutati na watho ikiutati na watho kuitana kubwithia biashara na muntu ura wina mawathe. So eune thai ikiri kabisa it is well positioned ni kiri ke katiba ke act ya 2025 ya Disability Act. So thai muntu uroka watwa kwina sheria ira yomba kutumirika.
Na caregivers ake idonete some funny characters in religious circles. Kire mandini baba ingi bakiwa batu itotomi mwathani turiroria turi na inya ya kuoria batumira through the caregivers baka parade people living with disabilities ba karinga okora gukirukira some manjiki na tutika kwebuko kuthithika
ni ashua ikiutati na watho ikiuta tina watho na antu ya bau bayukirwa atua ya kisheria. Lakini kuri untu bungi nkwenda kureta amiru bamenye no kumenya ka abantu kwirwa bakamenya no kuona antu bara baingi wona nya barabara neyi tiba kwetu. Yes, majority baumete TZ baumete ndiguru ingi bayite kana nyina from other counties by through child trafficking or human trafficking. Kwene expose ingi withitwe ni natayita wa etirwe lari etre natayita wa
tuseme
one of the media houses kwe expose babwithitie na babwithirie barona ni bura asiari bana bau nara Tanzania bau ba fichite Tanzania bura asiari bana bau bakaya swa ati mwana aiko school mwana akayukwa akilwa Kenya mwana akilwa Kenya yaka mwana okurutanwe biashara oni ndi mutongeria wa ikundi kekengo kuri itatu etete tukathiata mwana ungi ndauma runda ndaritango mawa ndari na biashara imbinge mawa so rimona bakoroka mawa the mwenkethira mwana I stationed antu amwange kwari na petrol station nkethira mwana stationed themwe okiano tuko kijethira uma mawa thaiele ukatia mwana uraiko ayantwara so it just clicked my mind ndoria ai mwana uyu ri ina irieta kioro you know ndambiriria kuciuria those questions then twambiriria kuthiata and thank God kuri antu baria ara stage ya maua ibo bangwatirie kuri utweka ndo bakumenyito bachunguza bambiriria kura baka utibona kwa tuka baria bata mwana bageta utibona batito yire kutaimana no mwe twa mwata do you know rira twawatire muntu rira twetere nara ekite mwana utwethira na bangi yes bakomborera wa nyumba baka yatu kumamanira swa au yankumia so anabara ni antu babwitha sana bo biashara unaona ni antu babwitha sana bo biashara na that is something we know na kinyoke ya witara kwa Ken Silver by the way na ingome abai boru ari bombo sensia wamba gwitokethira yaringi ndonete bagiuku magua ki probox nyuma baeta ira wakuo obwo kunia baikitwe na arabarara nontu ndakwiri biashara omba kuthiri muntu mwe na antu 10 ageta ba position bonde na muntu ungi nwe wokarasia and then me tell you those children are being abused iba abuse awa so this is something we know we did report now in Maua au Meru ntauba ko report but I remember we reported in Maua na ibari be kunia itha indirambiriria wita Maua ndambiriria kuona but ntikuona ana ndiriona antu banene ya ibari be kunia no twitware tu report na no mwanka batuto yoke atwe ibatwe antu bara na disability batuto tukakaria bara bangi kinyethira antu bai foreigners etubatirie ku make sure that bena akinonto whether foreign or not ethra mu Kenya kana ti mu Kenya na akisiawe but the problem is we toka wata mtu yote mwana watu ete thina muno ino gaikia kutene nya rescue center ira sire accessible no kwana ukethenya tu ina rescue center kana children's home ira sire accessible to ikiana ba lakini thikana na thirikari tha ike office out nya children's home no kwana so that is the dilemma that we are in but all said yonde ya uhi na yakakareka tutenda kuona na betu bagitambere kuria thina tukaringa report tukaita in fact no tutenya tukapetition ya DCI twamuria ni mbiontu ana bakwendelea kwewa thina na kwetu Meru
na by the talking of policy ya thirikari ko face out children's home your thoughts on such a move?
I'm not for that. I don't support nte supporta unontu in this ntore nisietu kikundi keke yakwa kia kiengo batu with the same to na GBV gender based violence kana dhuluma seki jinsia kana kuinyelwa kwekuru nontu bwa kwithira be itha mwekuru ogwe kana muntu mukuru yes kana mukuru kuinyelwa lakini murume gutokea rasio matu akuru batinyela so bwana ya ekuru
Kabagira igo kabira.
arito uteo kabira menya in fact topic hiyo ni kamiambiriria thai ndakuonia na kanini tuguzie
Guzia
mwana omumero asiarwa mwana omweye aringero nkemiana nuisie niana we untu no ninya mwana omware asiarwa aringero yana ni thatu kuko maanisha ate okona dhuluma yetu maya ambiririo ria tociarwa o mwambiririo so no ntu dila na mantu batu ya GBV okoria kethira ate bromburia
the thought on policy
ya policy so batu no ntu ito dila na mantu agenda based violence ana batu ba codify law of course no fafanue kidogo codify mwana iko mama na mwana kana
kumunyange
kiwendo ya kushiriki kiwendo na mwana wina ndie miaka 18 kwana nonto sheria yua mwana atumba witikiria atena uwezo bwa witikiria so inyo yeto ko wana yetikiriria no ko kabungwa tu nonto atena uwezo iwe wari na ume bwa kumwe bwa botoroka inyethira keire kiuno you see but kirepu itu isene antu banene rira bwa force ni thia bwende bwina miaka 18 lakini muntu ka force unge you understand so ende nonto batu dila na manto yau ya defilement singe muno lakini tote kuona mwana uwo mo rescue na defile ro babu nya defile ne ide oko defile babu oku ukendelea orenia museyo babu oku akathitango na wendelea kuria museyo bara baige to de tio buito ne te purana buba etija solete family you see nonto otira ko report muntu wendelea kuona mwana akitumiwa au tebo lakini tena buba report mwana ora kwa tweka stigma na neglect na aka sendlay di family otoka family ete kwende yo mona ibu woto mere bibi ethia bungwa kana so ende inana yote ngomba wita aya kwina na bangi mwana nasiarirwe mwana atene ina mwana atene ethe tebo bamwinya bwetere bwa tura tauni nya to benge batisi nya bwina kana ina butwiri nya antu benu antu reru ibakirire kuriana na baitha brother na tio kira majukumu kuingia so ende majukumu ya topoto mamuntu ayetekeria tiba bengi batetekera kuikiana baitha badiana bo unakuona so ende ina bantu ya bakatowita actually so I think bila bakweria kuiria yes itu wa muntu mwana atetheriwe community ine so NGOs usike sika support maybe one family member akamenyera mwana but we have seen ituonete baba ingi ibikunekanirwa mwana oramenyero lakini antu amenyero watu kaibange bakumenyero ibabange especially baba tu disability kinya cash transfer yawa baba ingi batererongo baba ingi bateya winyirio kwa tu kabesi wire yigi kiana bara bange batena mawatheko skuru yeta kurira bara bange skuru uronge akari yao ate gwita skuru ate kuthithia kinyambi whereas mwana uno ete skuru na akona some skills tote kwariria bara bena severe kabisa bara nyakiri for example kwa baba ethera bena cerebral palsy na complications si akiri na si nyake mwiri so bauto tutala but kwina bara baomba wiko skuru na bakaomba kuona nya some skills nokona nokimenya thaibo thirikari very intentional na mantu ya ku make sure that the young people bara bena disability thai kinyango esiongwa nokona thirikari ni ambirite kuthone mantu ya 5% the 5% so ende ibabaterie kuthomethua aikwira ngoromba aciari betu bathomethia nabo kende ya opportunity iko ya no thirikari bombe kwithira bakiomba kusitumira bweya na mwana wa mutethia
sure
no tu ya mamio kwake yondokiria ya thai nkithira nkimusumbura inyayo yengo musi.
Sure. Talking of the policies, oraikwa untowera wa maendeleo maratasi. Oraikwa
maendeleo maratasi.
No kwithira kwina policies ciekinde itekwa implemented mantu igi gotetheria antu batu na mawatho. Like policies irio inde ci maratasi na like there's no that implementation gutigira the intention ya policy ni gotethia these people lakini ite utethia.
And I don't know how true it is. Ndakumenyana ate kuri uma batimbi baswa policies ira cietre Singapore kupite Singapore thaibe ira kuromba Kenya. If the policies so batu we are very good in policy obra wa lakini sietu ira mingi siria sikiorera ke shelf lakini kambu among the policies ira kona ulite tangwende nende goroye the Constitution of Kenya 2010 netwete a lot of nete a Kenya inya thai it was public participation last week but one I think so somewhere around there it was public participation ya county fiscal strategy paper CFSP na inde ibiro mwananchi akiroma akiuria atire batu ntukwira tware ari ringi twasemaniti twakulukitie murandi fulani ni onto tutiyona you see so it batu tu a power bila ke tutikubwethia katotio mi exercise but baraba kompo mi exercise ibo mi exercise thai no kuona tipura antu beta bakarande boardroom baka wa tukaba bwithiria barabara fulani na fulani na fulani thai bare ya batoria na to aba priority na to aba andikira niri kutukwenda yambiriria o win priority tukandika number 1 2 na 3 no kuona so for me county government ekebwetha cio kinyegete ka kinyethira rimwe bantu ibagwa isi tasi akelwe mwe kana yele itekilwa cionthe at least yemwe arabo ekira as a priority bukamenyeka thiate ekabwithwa but more so thai inkuona wananchi iba audit bakubwithia ngetweta social audit iba audit na netikiritwe nakona baka audit barabara ekebwitha swa bona etirekiro mora baka oria imbe onto barabara etirekiro mora budget sie isi kuikirwa in public auditor general ate post nini the report yewe ikoonekana so thai we are able as citizens tore wananchi itokomba huko make budgets sieto tukomba kuinterrogate tukona kintu fulani kiairo mbesa yana tukona kithira bila bikubwithwa iwathi mbesa yu bila kitukwenda i very active citizens Wana wananchi baokiririu kwa wingi bambiriria kuthia tamantu yau na anko ndokwira ndiguru etu nitite ambere kebuya let me tell you that we are going in the right direction and I am happy and I say that I am confident that we are headed to the right direction. Wokake ntego me abo Singapore no tore okinya lakini you see the fact that mwananchi akaomba kuontu na bobwethwe in the right direction sawa sawa na tokea kuendelea huu tomba kuwa ndeguru yetu mantu yakatabwea but narrowing down to our county kwa slogan ni mutumantu ethingia autumira inkolonio aiwa atabara ndethi
Ndiko menire kwa imandani.
Ewe ya kwa slogan ya mutumantu ethingia.
Building Meru together.
Building Meru together. Tebo wakameru turi amwe. You see that is involving the citizens, right? So and we are seeing ito kuona mantu yonto ya yau iya kubwithika that the public participation is now more elaborate, you know. They are taking a lot of time na wananchi kubathikira, you know. So interview yonto ya view ibyo tokuwa ibyo byo tomatua itowitite na mbere tutosoka nyuma itowitite na mbere although tukakinyara twitite
nonto bwa time bidikiria nkuria kiria ki nonto kuringana na katiba njaro ya 2010 article 97 1b ni kiritite giti kia mujumbe wa mwekuru na ikaya na some key roles cia mujumbe wa mwekuru but in the context of our discussion today kiri mandai representation ofisi ya mujumbe wa mwekuru kana women rep kuringana na katiba article 97 1b kuri na advocacy ya youth persons with disabilities na marginalized groups obisi ene itembete kwendera ikithithia county ya Meru
ofisi yeye number 1 imbona ekebwithia tournaments kwiro riraka yuyu mweshimwa kayuyu ari kwindonete tukebwithia twina tournaments eune youth empowerment of course na itware kinyana ya disability imbonete bakia ikundi mbesa si economic empowerment ikundi bya youth ikundi bya kuru imbonete bakiusika for example yari turari na UN Disability Day ibausikite batwete some ibatwete assistive devices cia disability ndonere bakithithia mama safi indo na baturerete assistive devices na iba supportete kido nini iba supportete activity so mbona mjumbe omwe kuru activity ne ontu ira mbinge sikonie celebration awareness interview bia mantu ya koni either youth kana women kana people with disabilities
na bati kuthithia zaidi hapo
kuringana na maoni yakwa ye kubateria kwithira gukibwithwo nkuru kinonto you see every year onto for example ende ya thai tukuona county government ni utwa like the plans tebo tukeya with the public participation but you see office ye etebwitha se public participation tutabona beye totoria tre babu bure antu ba mawathe office ye tu netumikaira antu ba mawathe babu bwe antu ba bwe antu ba baithi babu bure ekuru ni imirandire kunere kubukwenda tububwithiria but you see maybe ebora kuthwania lakini bo yo mathwania yakwa maybe bora ikundi bi apply onto ikundi bi apply kurako ikundi bi apply na bi apply bi ya wa kwibira bi ya wa mbesa of course ito kumenya resources nini bote apply bo ya wa gwinthe so kwibara ba apply bakaewa so I don't know whether ibyo bituma batika rete public participation but if I'm asked ndau office uni baterinya yo ku ya ground ekauria wananchi ba sub county fulani ibi bakwenda kubwithirwa kenda kwithira kwina balance you see dai tirera mbere antu bawa urie we musore ora isi kendo gwithirwa ona dai we musore ora isi kana we mundu ora isi mbesa cia kinya ki county tibo we musore o gavana kana o musore o gavana lazima resources cia kinya in every ward na cia kinya in every ward for example kethiri cibitari twethe twatumira andu ba gavana na sore ba gavana twethe tugethia ate twatumira so ende in this spirit then office ukinya yo yithireke with public participation na to make sure that ne kwa resources you equally as per the wards
sure yeah nanto time mwerekerie mbira munda metupa kisogo ende mbitegeria mbore giore ke mwisho mbere oruta the final remarks kana parting shot okugeta manda lack of representation in the county assembly how effective will be representation in the county assembly?
It is effective na kango ambambe gusogere kwanza nyana kiuria kethira katiba ni wete twethire turi ore why are we not there lokona we should be there and then turio kwethira turio means that yonto ya ruare imbiketie ituiketie petition okethira tipura mheshimiwa wetu Mureithi mheshimiwa wa narake kundike kiengo kiri Mureithi na heshimiwa bangi barabonde baringirithi ni coordinators kenda batu support keni niye mujumbe uyu wetu nwe ubatire kwithire mustari na yombere kupokea ambi petition yeye sawa na inyo mefuatilia na inya kuhakikisha bila tukua ibikothiate lakini baba ange umenya tukaria twebarika nase batethira bena yu at heart no kuona yes batethira bene uno tu bate itiba affected but batu kutukuria twebarika nase twabera atire mantu disability bwithie niona mantu disability bwithie nimbi ona na tukaria twebasumbura na twebarike nase but I am happy that ito basumbura na bakomba kuyuki issues setu na basishughulikira but tubatere kwethera twena representation.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you very much. Your parting shot.
My parting shot unia kwenda kwira mero atire antu barabe na mawathe ne antu oya bangi number 1 ibatu yuke turi antu number 2 ibareke ku ikira amenyeri kana caregivers ba antu barabe na mawathe depression na stigma ibareke obaria no tutebo muntu athithirie utema kosa athithirie boratu bagwanga kerumi angambia oteirumi ibora it's just a disability to a diversity it's a human diversity so ibareke kuba stigmatized na tena gemero
kubathula
ibareke obathula ibareke kubaria boboe na kire asheri barabe na barabe na mawathe nabo inkubaromba tu bendelee kumenyerana bau, especially bara bena severe disability bendelee kumenyerana bau. Mantu a thirikari no ya wita mbere batu no tuciumia nao mbere ya tongeria benu kubwithia advocacy kenda tuona utethi bukinya nyumba kabisa kiri ana betu bara bena mawathe na soke mbire community, especially arume betu ba Meru tureke kuthukia ari ba betu bena mawathe, tubareke bathukangia kiwendo, itubae heshima, especially bara bariana, lakini tutukua muntu ethire na mawathe ethira ukinyithinya for example itaria kugia mwana tutiraua atena aki ekwithira akikinya wa akithire na mucore ukona batiende bakathukangwa bariana bakinyithia miaka yobo araniria bomba kuwatanira kethira no yo mathithio irutana na mathithio bomba kwaria no na bo watarira sawa kutina thina batito ana bakathulumiwa na itwethire twi our brothers keepers itukaria na babe tube na mawathe na ara kuonthe kuri na Meru bamenye itubendete and at Kiengo Women Challenge we say asante sana kwa Wameru kwa ile support wamekuwa wakitupatia to our governor, to the county government, to the county assembly. Tunashukuru sana. Even the office of the county commissioner tumekuwa tukipata hata relief foods kwa vikundi and we are really grateful.
Bwana Jacob Ouma.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Madam Lucy. Nonto bokuya gututariria mantu igi period poverty and mantu advocacy igi antu baraba tuire na mawathe onbeto akabwe mutharimi mwananiri wetu na njira mathithio ni Abigail Kajuju nkwendere ntugo njega na rukiriro rwega ogeta kuraya tugacokera amu tocokera yara tukaithira tukimurika nandi ni vijana baraba itonyetie kiri mbatekano ya siasa 2027 turi na kijana orandwe ni aspirant wa MCA Teresia Ntima West akethira gitutariria mantu igi majenzi witonya kiri siasa ithira uri na rukiriro rwega.